latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Boycott China is gaining momentum with every passing day, and Indian smartphone manufacturers see a light at the end of the tunnel. Popular Chinese brands like Xiaomi, Oppo and Vivo that dominate the Indian smartphone market are in the eye of a storm. I have literally bought 80% items on MI store so far. Was a big MI fan. No more now. No more. Boycott Chinese products and services. Hashtag boycott Chinese product.
Would like to request Government of India that boycott China and make iPhones available in the range of Chinese phones so that we can buy.
There is no honor in Indians buying Chinese phones. Just that Indians don't realize that this money flows back to China and is then used against India itself. This seems to have opened the market for non-Chinese smartphone manufacturers. Even Indian smartphone makers are planning to make a comeback, expecting a rise in demand for non-Chinese devices. This has also been helped by the Indian government's new schemes to boost manufacturing in the domestic circuit. Indian manufacturer Micromax hinted on Twitter that it has a few products in the pipeline. Glad to see your support for hashtag Vocal for Local. We are working hard internally and soon we will come up with something big. Stay tuned. However, not just Micromax, other Indian smartphone manufacturers too are looking to revamp their operations. Lava too is planning to launch its latest range of products in the nearby future. We have utilized this time to completely revamp our portfolio, both for smartphones as well as for feature phones. Over the next few months, we will be adding unique propositions to our portfolio which will cater to the needs of every Indian. Indian government recently announced 3 new schemes to boost electronic manufacturing in the country. The government also added that it will pick up 5 Indian champions for the PLI scheme. With government's incentives, especially the PLI scheme, we plan to invest heavily into our smartphone business with additional focus on design and expect to be able to replicate our feature phone success story in the smartphone category as well. The new government schemes will enable brands like us to invest heavily into R&D and manufacturing, thus making our products globally competitive. As per reports, smartphone manufacturers like Karbonn and Intex too are waiting in the wings. Karbonn has confirmed that it is planning launches in the highly competitive entry and mid-level smartphones. The timing of the PLI scheme and anti-China sentiments have come as a blessing in disguise for the manufacturers. Retailers across the country have observed consumers leaning towards non-Chinese smartphones. This has greatly helped Samsung that has emerged as the torchbearer for non-Chinese phones in the country. Currently, Samsung and Motorola are the biggest competitors for the highly popular Chinese smartphones in the country. It remains to be seen if Indian brands riding high on the government schemes and anti-China sentiments can make their mark in an ecosystem dominated by Chinese manufacturers.